Ow!
But I'll be right back.
You'll be right back. Where are you going?
I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
I'll be right back.
Okay, where are you going?
I'll be right back.
Okay.
Hi.
You want that back on my fingers?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Ah! Where are you going?
It has something to do with helping you. Maybe he's a doctor, whatever.
What are you doing?
Are you the doctor? Did you fix him? Oh, and you got a bandage for it. Good deal. You fixed him. You got that
It's a
off his
crazy
finger.
bandage.